The Amazon Echo fourth generation represents a major design evolution, moving from the traditional cylindrical shape to a completely spherical form factor, released in October 2020. At the heart of the Echo fourth generation is the MediaTek MT8183 processor, a significant upgrade featuring ARM Cortex-A73 and A53 cores that provide 40% better performance than the previous generation. The memory system features 1 GB of LPDDR4 RAM, doubling the capacity from the third generation, along with 8 GB of eMMC storage for the operating system and local data caching. The audio system has been completely redesigned for the spherical form factor. It features a 3-inch woofer positioned at the bottom and dual 0.8-inch tweeters that work together to create true 360-degree sound distribution. Connectivity has been enhanced with dual-band Wi-Fi 802.11ac and Bluetooth 5.0 LE for improved device pairing and streaming quality. A major new feature is the built-in Zigbee 3.0 hub, which allows the Echo to directly control smart home devices without requiring additional hubs or bridges. The teardown reveals how all these components work together inside the compact spherical design. The internal layout maximizes space efficiency while maintaining optimal thermal management and acoustic performance. Professional teardown analysis reveals critical insights about the Echo fourth generation's internal construction and repairability challenges. The iFixit analysis from 2020 gave the Echo fourth generation a repairability score of just 2 out of 10. This low score stems from extensive use of glued construction and tightly integrated components. The exploded view reveals the sophisticated internal architecture. The spherical design houses advanced components including a MediaTek processor, improved audio drivers, and integrated wireless systems. The transition from cylindrical to spherical design represents a major shift in smart speaker architecture. This change delivers significant acoustic improvements and influences industry-wide design trends. Market data shows the Echo fourth generation's commercial success. It represents 15% of total Echo device sales since launch, with customers rating it 4.3 out of 5 stars for satisfaction. The Echo fourth generation has influenced several key industry trends. Hardware miniaturization allows more powerful processors in smaller devices, while integration of multiple wireless protocols reduces the need for separate hubs. Audio performance testing shows measurable improvements over the previous generation. Bass response increased by 40%, while the spherical design enables true 360-degree sound distribution. Industry experts predict significant developments in future Echo devices. Enhanced local AI processing will reduce cloud dependency, while improved privacy features will address growing consumer concerns about data security. The Echo fourth generation demonstrates how consumer electronics continue evolving toward more integrated, powerful, and aesthetically pleasing designs, while highlighting the ongoing tension between advanced functionality and device repairability.